Let us look at proposition number 15 of Works of Archimedes, specifically book 1 of On the Sphere and Cylinder. The proposition says the surface of any isosceles cone has the same ratio to its base as the side of the cone has to the radius of the base. So let's understand this. Let A be the base of the cone with radius R1. A generator of the cone is L, that is slant height of the cone or the side of the cone. B be a circle of radius R2 is equal to square root of R1 times L. That is the mean proportional between R1 and L. And we know if the radius of the circle is such, then the lateral surface of the cone, say S, is equal to area of the circle B. We proved this in the previous proposition. Now, circle are to one another as a squares on their radii. That means A is to B. So when I say A, it means the area of A, area of B. So the ratio between A and B is equal to R1 square is to R2 square, where R1 is the radius of A and R2 is the radius of B. Area of B is equal to the curved surface of the cone. So A is to S is equal to R1 square is to R2 square. R1 is to R2 is equal to R2 is to L. Why? Because R2 is the mean proportional between R1 and L. Squaring both the sides, we get R1 square is to R2 square is equal to R2 square is to L square. So A is to S is equal to R2 square is to L square. R2 is equal to square root of R1 times L. So let's do the substitution. We get A is to S is equal to square root of R1 times L square is to L square. Simplifying it, we get A is to S is equal to R1 times L is to L square. And simplifying it further, we get A is to S is equal to R1 is to L. The thing is, the proposition is is saying what? Saying lateral surface of the cone is to area of the base. Here we have got area of the base is to the lateral surface of the cone. It means one and the same thing, but just to make it perfect, let's say reciprocally S is to A is equal to L is to R1, which is what we had to prove. S is the lateral surface of the cone, A is the area of the base, L is the slant height, and R1 is the radius of the base. That was proposition number 15 of Works of Archimedes, more specifically book 1 of On the Sphere and Cylinder. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.